Welcome back to another episode of Life with Spike, or could I say season 2 of living in my van. I really wanted to do like something really cool and fun, but the weather's not really cooperating for what I was thinking about doing. I was thinking about going and checking out like Vancouver Lookout or something like that, but it's Saturday and it's probably a little bit busy and I'm not too big fan of big crowds. So I kind of just like said, screw that. I'm just going to do whatever the heck I want. I mean, that's kind of like the goal of living in a van, right? Is just going where I want, living where I want, doing whatever I want. And well, I just decided to be super lazy. It kind of really sucks not having that credit card in my hands like I was supposed to. Canada Post is on a big strike right now, so I don't really expect to see my credit card for a while. I might just call them and get it sent back to my parents' house because we'll be back there in like not even 3 weeks or something like that. Well, we're gonna enjoy the last few days here in Vancouver. I'm gonna go have a shower. I've been in the van for like a day and a half. After I edited that video the other day, kind of just stayed here, charged up my batteries. You know, it rained a little bit. I did do some like exercises inside the van, but yeah, I played some video games. Oh, it's starting to rain now. All right, guys, let's hit the road. We're gonna go down. We're gonna have a shower. I'm gonna grab a few things. I'm gonna refill my water jug. Grab some diesel for the diesel heater. Yeah, we're supposed to get another storm apparently. I haven't really heard much about it, but I've read a few times that we're supposed to get hit by another good storm. It was pretty windy earlier and yesterday, but that's just the bonuses of living in the van. So let's move on. See you guys down the road. Showering on a Saturday might be a pain in the butt, but regardless, I need a shower, so we're gonna go over to the gym and see if we can find a parking spot. Yeah, good luck to me, huh?
Go to Main Street.
Hey guys, welcome back. All showered up, ready to go, got water, and I'm just stopping for a little quick lunch, having some bacon, eggs, and a couple pieces of toast. Yeah, and then we're gonna go find a place to dump our garbage. But first, we gotta go shopping here. We gotta grab cream and a few other things. But yeah, oh yeah, and I stopped and grabbed some kerosene for the diesel heater because it's starting to smoke. So I thought maybe we'll give it a good cleaning. Throw some good old kerosene in there. Yeah, that's my exciting day for today, is getting everything organized and prepared for the next week or so living in the van. Not sure exactly what I want to do, but I definitely want to go fishing. I definitely want to go check out a few things here in Vancouver before we disappear. But today's Saturday and everything's super busy, so we're just gonna do a bunch of shopping, get everything prepared. Yeah. I checked my worms out. They seem to be doing pretty good. They're still alive. I don't know how they're still alive, but they've been in there for like a month and a half in a butter container, just sitting there. Should probably feed them a couple apple peels or something. Oh, that's something I want to get. Apples. See if they got any apples here for a good price. Okay guys, I'm gonna have a little quick lunch and we'll see you guys in a few. Yum. Delicious food. Okay, I'm gonna eat, I'm gonna go shopping, we'll see you guys in a few. Man, did I ever get caught in the rain. Oh well, that's alright. It was like almost blue sky when I went in the store, and then all of a sudden, ba-bam, it started raining like crazy. Yeah, I think that's it for today. I was gonna go to Dollarama and get some rice, but not really important if it's raining this hard. It's not like I need it today. It's just another thing I can grab on another day when I have a bigger grocery list. So that's it for today. I think I'm gonna go find a place to park. So van life does cost a little bit of money sometimes, and sometimes it doesn't cost very much money. But what I want to do and what makes me happy costs me extra money, and I'm a little bit shy this month on cash. That's all right. We'll see you guys down the road. Well, I didn't really do much exciting things today, but I did get everything I wanted to get done today. Although it would have been nice to be able to go to like the Vancouver Aquarium or something like that. That would just be so cool. But I'm just looking at my budget and my finances, and I just don't think I can fit an extra, $50, $60, maybe $70 trip just to go to Vancouver Aquarium. The money I do have, I've got to save for the gas just to get back to Christmas with the family, and just for the next few weeks, I've got a little bit of gas money to get around. But that's the unfortunate thing when you lose your credit card and you can't use it. And I still haven't gotten it, and I still haven't heard from Canada Post about my credit card coming in the mail because of the strike. So this really sucks. But made a cup of coffee. It's really good. And we also picked up some beef blade boneless steaks. So we're gonna throw a couple of these in the freezer, and then we're gonna leave one out and we're gonna cook it for tonight's dinner. That's kind of exciting for sure. I'm excited about dinner. I'll probably just have a little bit of rice or something with it. Welcome to my first year of van life, and hopefully the next year in my future will be even better. I can't wait to pay off my debts and go even further with this van, push it even farther. Maybe go to Whitehorse, Tuktoyaktuk, Atlantic Ocean. Maybe even in the future go to like Alaska and maybe like Washington State or Utah, or who knows, Ohio even, let's go to the Juggalo the Gathering, Shambhala. Like, there's so many things I can't wait to do in this van, and I can't wait for you guys to join me on my journey and my adventures and exploration. I'd even like to take this thing up a mountain, somewhere where most vans just don't go, and I can sit here and play video games where most people don't play video games. I know that's kind of like a weird flex, but you get what you get. It's not that I ran out of content to film for you guys. It's more of I'm stuck in a little position where I don't really want to move a lot, spend a lot of gas money going and exploring places I can't get to because I'll never get back to here. Yeah. Parts of me want to just go find a job and just work for like a week or 2 weeks and just say, thanks for the check, I'm out of here, I just needed a few bucks. Oh well, we'll make the best of it. So thanks for watching. Hit the thumbs up on the video, like the video, subscribe if you guys haven't already. Notice we're up to 608 subscribers. Sweet. Thanks guys for your support. Appreciate it a lot. See you guys on the next episode. Peace out.